Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SBI Maldives online banking card declared fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first method that you can use is check your account balance. To do it, simply head over and open up your SBI Maldives banking application and then enter in using your app PIN or simply select user to log in. Then once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is check your balance, and insufficient funds are the most common reason for the issue to arise. Make sure you have the available balance. The next is make sure your card is active. To do it, simply tap on the three horizontal bar on the top left corner of the screen, then select cards. Inside cards, select card management and check if your card is active, and if blocked or inactive, simply tap on activate or unblock. The next is to enable online POS or ATM transactions. Card may have restrictions for security. To enable it, simply head over to the card section by tapping on the three horizontal bar once again, selecting cards, and inside cards select card management. Then what you need to do is enable online transactions, ATM withdrawals, POS or tap to pay transactions, and international transactions. The next is check daily transaction limits. If your transaction exceeds the daily limit, it will be declined as well. So what you need to do is once again tap on the three horizontal bar, select cards, then inside cards select card management and select manage daily limits or card limits. Then increase limits for ATM, POS and online payments. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.